All right, so these boots I have on, BMW dealer said these are waterproof. So my wife is gonna hold this thing and show you whether or not this is waterproof. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun. Today we're gonna do a quick review of this beautiful BMW Motorrad shoes. Okay, I'll take them off and I'll give you a better tour of these with the boas on them. Okay, so tighten, loosen, so make sure they're nice and tight. Okay, left and right. I'm gonna leave this just the way it is. I actually just rode with them. We've been out for what, a couple hours now? So how many hours? 3 hours. And I was on the bike the whole time, shooting back and forth, and no issues. So I didn't get cold. It's in maybe low 40s. What do you think?
44, 45.
44. But it is sunny out. It is nice. And we're gonna put this down over here, pointed at me. My wife is gonna hold this. We're gonna time it for about between 2 to 5 minutes. If my feet get wet, I'm just going to stop. If they don't get wet, we'll go the whole 2 to 3, 4, 5 minutes to see if it gets wet. Okay? So the indirect spray at my feet is pretty heavy, so we're checking both the suit and the shoes. Let's see if they hold up. Cut, please. All right, what time is it now? I got 2:21. Okay, so go. Indirect, it could get lower. Too close. All right, that's about right. It's about right. After rotisserie. Okay. I think we probably just go a couple of minutes. Well, we're getting so close. What's happening right now?
Name of brand of the shoes, the suit
Okay.
and shoes.
All right. So that's. Oh, everything is good. I don't feel anything. It's only been a stop. I don't have any gloves on. You just stay down here. Stop. I said please sit. It's mostly the boots I want. I know the suit is not going to leak anywhere. So it seems like it's getting pretty soaked. You're going direct. I guess if you're riding on a bike, you're heading into the weather more than likely. You may soak in like that. But this is low extreme, so just know this is direct right at the boots and the suit. So 2:22, it's only been a minute. That's forever in a day. Okay, we're going to keep shooting and then we're going to cut it back on. Okay, so we don't have to hold this thing the whole time. It's 2:23 now. It's been a couple of minutes. Okay, so we didn't hit the back of the kitchen. I don't think that's a big area. Do it evenly. You hit a lot of the front area. Okay. Actually, it's 2:25. I just felt something just now. All right, turn it off. Okay, so. All right, so. Look, come around. Look. Look at the seams. Nothing at the seams. It's pretty wet, right? Everything is fairly dry. So let me take one off. Shoot, put the shit. My socks. That just dropped. That wasn't from the suit. My feet is absolutely dry. Absolutely dry. All right, let me step over here. Let me get the other one. See, that's what's most wet, right? So let's see. My feet don't feel wet, so all of Absolutely dry. Look at this. Look inside the shoe. Absolutely dry. Absolutely. Look. These were pretty expensive, and they're worth every penny. So if you could get your hands on a set of these, bought them at BMW, definitely worth it. Not just sponsored video, bought them with my own money, and they're so comfortable. They feel like a pair of Jordans. Go out and get you some of these, whether you ride a Harley, an adventure bike, or whatever. You want some dry feet. Come back and see Ride to the Sun. Nobody does it like we do. Almost forgot the suit. This is a KTM suit. I use it for my ADV bike. So as I was doing that as well, all I did, as a matter of fact, all I had on today, low 40s, was this shirt here. See that? That's all it is. And I was hot. So with this suit, with the liner in, with the outer shell, that's all I needed. You see that? Allow moisture to wake away from your body. I would stay away from cottons, okay? And below, all I had on, my deodorant is drying up, is one of these. So that's all I have on. You see that? That's all I have on under this suit. Naturally, I guess you probably want to have something under, whatever you get, wherever you want to get to a pair of jeans. You can throw it in your bags or whatever. But I felt the most comfortable in this. My shoes over here, and this, and close to 40-degree weather. So, and I was toasty. And matter of fact, I started to open up the zippers under my armpits. So, or the different zippers that this thing has. I can unzip it, of course, but I like to wear it like this because I can just throw it on just like a race suit. So just wanted to let you know that KTM make a hell of a product. I don't ride a KTM, but I love their suits. Of course, you don't saw me on Triumph, but I love the suit. It's not so much what the name is on there, does it work?